Booking flights on JetSMART. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can book flights on JetSMART and how you can save money. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, there is a link in the description below for the website. You can go ahead and click on it. Along with the website, you'll also find some promo codes and coupon codes that you can apply on your bookings to save a lot of money. So let's get into it. So here I'm on the website. Okay, the language is different. Yeah, it's in Chilean. So let me go ahead and change it to English. All right, so now that it's in English, let's get on with it. So here, when you come over here, you can sign up by using the link in the description below. And once you've signed up, you should be good to go. Then you're going to come over here and also going to log in just in case, over here you have all these different options. Don't have an account, we can register here. And here you can go ahead and log in with your details like your email address and your password. Confirm it and you should be good to go. I'm going to skip this as of right now, and I'm going to show you how you can use the website and, book yourself a flight. And we're going to come over here, and here you can see we have the flight option, hotels, transfers, and everything, right? So here you can go ahead and select your origin and your destination, departure date, return date, and how many passengers you are. And you can even make this one way or a round trip. It totally depends on you. And here you can add the promo code, which you can find in the description below. So just simply come over here, select your origin. So let's say we want Ecuador. All right, and then we go into this city, and then we want to go to Argentina, to Buenos Aires, and then here we have the departure date. Let's go with next month, right? And we're gonna come back at around a week. That's fine. Yeah, passengers are fine. And then here you can add the promo code, and then here you can just simply hit the search button or confirm button, and boom, it's gonna go ahead and search for all the flights available and show you the best ones from which you can choose whichever one you want. And again, you can save a lot of money by just applying these promo codes. So make sure you check those out in the description below. And here we go. So you can go ahead and select whichever flight you want and then hit the continue button and book it. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can book flights on JetSMART. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.